hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple.
Alright, so we are installing this Bunker Hill security light today, guys. I picked this up at Harbor Freight. I was there getting the brushes that we did. Cheeto, get out of the way. So we're gonna install this. This was like, I think it was under $10. We're gonna install it outside to light up the chicken coop area at night, just because we don't want any, we've seen coyote in the neighborhood recently, and so we're gonna light up the area, make sure we scare away any predators. So it says it's simple, ideal for sheds, driveways, garages, detects motion up to 35 feet, and it's motion activated, and it was under $10. So let's go ahead and get this installed and try it out. And it's 120 degree detection. Alright, so the only change is I'm not using these, they're too little. I'm just gonna switch it out for some exterior screws. And I'm gonna mount it.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash. Yeah, adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vamonos. If you're not first, then you're in last. Ricky Bobby quote.
If you ain't first, you're last.
Alright, so I'm taking this part off again so I can attach this.
Hey, guys, listen up. Michael is up on the roof and acting strange.
Whoa, what's the situation?
Alright, got it right here. In the afternoon, the sun hits this, so right now it's about to hit right now. It can charge all afternoon, and we've got 16 feet of cord, so we should be good to reach all the way up here. Woo. Almost died. Help me! Can you hand me that that solar panel? And there's 2 little screws on the floor right there. Just kidding.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stomp, I
If I can reach. Alright guys, we had enough cord. I'm just wrapping the extra around here and we're gonna plug it in. Alright guys, we got it installed. We got the panel up, and now we're just gonna let it charge for the rest of the day, and we'll come back at night and check it out.
1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die, you don't know I'm bad. They say the good die, you don't know I'm bad.
What's up guys? I know it's too dark to tell, but I wanted to check the security light, and it's working. It lights up the entrance here to the chicken coop, and might have to add another one on the other side, but I mean, for $10, it's working well. As soon as I came out and as soon as Nala ran out here, it turned on. So, dope. So it works, guys. Thanks for watching.